Fuse Service Club School Network is a unified ecosystem built for growth in the home services industry. It brings together 3 key directions designed to support professionals at every stage of their journey. Fuse Club is a business community for home service entrepreneurs. It includes an advanced platform with business courses, a private Telegram chat for communication and experience sharing, regular expert talks, and much more. Everything here is built to help business owners grow faster, smarter, and more scalable companies. If you want to become a technician or take your skills to the next level, welcome to Fuse School, one of the leading heating and air conditioning schools in the Bay Area. We don't train on models. We work with real systems. Our programs are built around hands-on practice and led by trainers with over 20 years of industry experience. And if you can't attend in person, you can join our practical online courses, including programs for operators, English for technicians, HVAC courses, and more. Our course list continues to grow and is regularly expanded. And if you're looking to build new connections and grow within the industry, welcome to Fuse Service Network. Through offline meetups and online sessions, we bring together over 200 home service business leaders from across the United States, creating a strong and professional community. Every Fuse Service Network event delivers insights and strategies you can apply immediately in your business. Want to learn more? Check out our website, link in bio.